There's power in our togetherness, maybe above and beyond what any of us had yet imagined. Come and join us and be part of something powerful together.
Now we are held together by your love, in the mystery of God.
You are invited to gather together with thousands of other Christians from right across the Black Country to begin to reimagine our future together.
And celebrating together the beautiful things that God is doing in our region.
We are together.
I've been carrying a burden. I've been carrying a burden for so long, so long. I forgot the taste of freedom, and I've been living in my past.
The next Leadership Development Night is happening on the last Wednesday of this month, and we're going to be joined with Pastor David Lawrence, who's going to be joining us from Stafford. So if you want to come along for that, if you're in a position of leadership here at Excel Church, then we'd love you to join us for this. This is why we put them on, to grow us all as leaders and grow deeper in our faith and in community. So join us for that on the last Wednesday of the month and get signed up online to let us know that you're coming. You can do that on Church Suite or on our website.
My hope, even in the middle of the darkest storm. Yeah, 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 yeah. My soul dancing like fire. Every day gets a little bit brighter. My soul dancing like fire, like fire, like fire.
On the 25th of June at 12 noon here at Hickman Park, we're going to be doing Hope in the Park, a community outreach event for everyone to come along and have a great time. So we're going to be partnering with local churches and local schools to make it a great event for everyone. You might remember we had it here last year. It may be in the other side, we don't know yet, but it's going to be a great time here at this park together. So don't forget to bring a picnic, and also if you're interested in volunteering, because we're going to need people to help us on the day, then do get in touch with Dan, speak to him directly, and we'd love to have you help serve on that day as well for the community. So put that in your diaries for Hope in the Park.
Blessing, 'cause you are my hope, 'cause you've always been there before. Yeah, 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 yeah. You are my hope, even in the middle of the darkest storm.
Don't forget, we've still got possibly a few extra spaces we can squeeze in for Strength Will Rise, our church weekend away. We cannot wait for this, which is going to be happening at the beginning of June. But remember as well, you can sign up for tournaments. Yeah, I'm going to be signing up for the football, as you can see. It's going to be a good one, guys. So head to our